This video guide is about getting rid of the browser redirection issue related to the website wiseghostapp.com. WiseGhost is the redirection issue that may occur with the Google Chrome browser. It's because of a special browser extension that could be called WiseGhost or Total Security for Chrome, Total Privacy for Chrome, and possibly by some other browser add-ons that can be installed on Google Chrome and Chromium browsers. WiseGhost extensions can force your browser to open wiseghostapp.com to deliver your search results. There is nothing dangerous about WiseGhost, but the extensions in this family are not as useful as they are presented. There are tools such as ad blockers that can help you stay safe online without messing with your search settings. And another problem with WiseGhost redirections is that these particular extensions are often integrated with some free applications, so people may download and install them pretty unintentionally. And that's the reason why it is also considered as a potentially unwanted application. To fix your browser, go to the menu, click on More Tools, then choose Extensions. So carefully look for suspicious extensions that could be related to WiseGhost, disable and remove such extensions completely. And basically this should fix the problem entirely. But I also strongly advise that you perform additional research of your system with Combo Cleaner. You may go to the official page combocleaner.com, download the software, install the application, then click on Start Combo Scan and begin the analysis of your system to make sure it is free of any other threats. So this is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. In my case it was in the premium mode, but you'll see a pretty similar picture with the trial mode of Combo Cleaner. The program gives you the report about threats found. You may go to the antivirus section, click on Review Results. So as you can clearly see, this is the list of all threats that were found during the scanning. How to get rid of these threats manually? Of course, you can see the location of specific threat, plus you may click on this icon that says Show in Finder. So this will show you the location of the threat in Finder. You may right-click on it and move it to the trash. You may do the same thing with all other threats and get rid of these threats manually. Or, of course, you may consider upgrading to the premium version of the program to remove these threats automatically.